Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you can't click on desktop, mouse click only works on taskbar in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for uh, Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now, wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next solution is to check for driver updates or reinstall them. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. If you find any drivers with a yellow exclamation mark on them, simply expand them, right click and try to update them first. But if updating doesn't work, then right click and uninstall them and remove them, and then click on Scan for hardware changes. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now we have what do we say, command line for it, which is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste this command here and hit enter, or type this command here and hit enter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to uninstall any newly installed program. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and if you find any problematic program here which you recently installed, then uninstall it. Here's one more thing I would show you. I always sorted by date installed to find the latest programs first. Okay. The next solution is to perform system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Then I don't have a what do we say, restore point configured. You will have to configure that first. You'll have to create a restore point earlier, and once you create a restore point, then at a later stage you will be able to restore your system. So I'll show you how to create a restore point. Then click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.